Trade is looking at $250,000. So with that being said, guys, your mentor here, Shakil Samai. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys a trading forex hack that made me profitable. With that being said, guys, just like the video, subscribe, and if you want to learn more for free, guys, I have a complete free forex group where I've been teaching people for over 3 years, completely free. It's in the description down below. Not only that, but in my fund, I've made over 42,000 Rand for my private investors. But that being said, guys, that is basically you doing nothing. You're doing completely nothing. Linking your account to my account, and every trade I take copies on your side. Basically, it's a private fund, right? The same strategy I'm going to teach you today is the exact same thing I used over there to make 43,000 in 2 weeks. No, less than 2 weeks. Crazy. So with that being said, let's get to the chart and I'll share exactly what is that hack that made me so profitable.
1, 2, 3, go. So traders, now that we're at the chart, I want to teach you guys this crazy hack that made me profitable. Very small, but massive and mind-blowing. With that being said, guys, let's get into it right now. First of all, we're also used to getting to the chart and seeing that this right here. Most of the time, we're actually seeing the chart in this color, which is red and green. But what I'm going to share with you guys right now will change the entire game for you. Okay, so just stay tuned and be ready for to elevate. Okay, with that being said, what I'm trying to teach you guys is, and be very honest, be very, very honest. Let's say, for instance, right, when you're in a trade in the market, right, you're in a trade in the market and you see a clear uptrend, but because you maybe have, for an example, you see this beautiful uptrend, right? And you take a buy right here. Most of the time, you take a buy right on the trend line. Just an example, guys. You take a buy on the trend line, and you stop seeing the bottom right here. And wherever you take profit is, wherever it is, great stuff, right? Now, as you're taking the buy, what happens is the market goes down and you see this big red candle like that. Automatically, when you see such a big red candle that goes down, nearly going almost 50% in drawdown, what does most people do? Panic. They get the fear. So a lot of times when a trade is a little bit in drawdown, you get this fear. Now, what I'm going to teach you right now, this hack will actually move the fear out when you're in a trade and you'll be able to read pure price action to know whether you should be staying in a trade so long or must you get out of a trade. You know, so basically, this hack I'm going to teach you guys right now will be able to help you understand pure price action without fear. Without fear, it's going to remove. Now, if you never traded before, this won't necessarily make sense to you, but it's going to sound amazing to you, right? But those who traded, this will be making sense automatically. Okay, so just check this out. Just check it out. Now, if I have to change my colors to neutral charts, that red candle is no longer fearful to me. I don't feel any more fear when I see this red, like this kind of come down, because now, look, end of the day, it's not red. And red automatically has like a negative rotation with it, negative association with it. So when you're in a buy and you see this red candle go against you, it's not saying that it's not going to go in your direction. It's just maybe a little bit draw down before going in your direction. But because it's a massive red candle, I mean, all our lives as growing up as students, a red mark, like an X, is usually with red. Big X on your exams means it's wrong. You see, when you see a minus, it's in the red. Stop sign, it's in the red. Everything that's alert, it's a bad thing, is in the red. So when you see a red candle and it's going against your direction, you automatically feel fear. But once you have this chart that we call neutral charts, black charts, there's no reason to look at color candle, but pure price action and market structure, the way market is moving. So this will allow you to understand, okay, so the stop loss structure is still in. There's a high low there and a high there. It didn't break any structure. I still can hold on to my trade for buys. But the case is, even when we're in the buys, there's something massive here. I want you guys to listen right here. This is massive, guys. Just like this video right now. If you're learning something new right now, just like this video and comment down below right now. I'm elevating. I am elevating, guys. If you're learning something new, right, just comment down below. I'm elevating. Join the free groups where I'm hosting free Forex webinars. The links in my description. You know, or join the copy training and link to account to my account, and every trade I'm taking on my side will copy on your side, and you do nothing while you're learning. So again, guys, this is very important. I'm going to show you guys right now. Very, very, very important. In the market, it's either buying or selling, up or down, right or wrong. So it's either going to be buying or selling. It's either going to be right or wrong. So the chances of you being right is 50%. The chance of you being wrong is 50%. Right? So sometimes there'll be buyers, there'll be sellers. So everywhere where there's a buyer, there's a seller. Right? Okay? And this, what I'm teaching you right here, is going to be able to read chart in a neutral perspective and understand what the buyer's doing, what the seller's doing. And then you're going to make a decision based on current price action, what's happening right now. So let me show you something with you guys. This is very powerful, guys. If you understand, I'm trying to say that, right? This buyers right here. Let's say this market shows up, you're in a buy. There's two types of people. It likes to buy and a person likes to sell. If you go to your history right now, and this is very big psychology right here. If you go to the history, and you're trading history right now, and you must have history data, you must be trained to see this. You're either taking more buys or more sells. And you get some people that think like consumers. What is a consumer? A person that goes and buys, like anyone who buys things. I bought this is a consumer. I bought this, I'm a consumer. Anything, everyone, this is bought, I'm a consumer. Consumer is someone that buys things, they consume things, right? The buyer, go to shop and buy things. Now, can you hear what I'm saying? I'm buying things. I'm so used to all my life buying something, right? So when you invest into stocks, you're buying it, hoping it goes up. Now the Forex market, if you come with the same mentality, it hurts you. So the market goes down, for example, some people can only see buys in the market. So when the market's in a sell position, let's say, let's check this out. Let's check this out. Here the market's in a down position. If I have to put the red candles on right now, the normal candles, some people can't get in trades when the market's in a down trend because they're saying, you know what? The market's been down. This support, it must buy from here, this area, because it's been supporting in this area. There's some stuff like that, right? Because the market's going down, it's a cheap price, it's a discount, right? It's like Black Friday. Market's a discount, like everything's a discount, so everyone rushes in to buy things. The same with the market. When market's dropping all the way down, boom, 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 people see these red candles, they think, okay, you know what? Market's down, I must buy it, support, supply, or demand, or something like that. I must buy, the market's at support, I must buy it higher. So you see some people just look for buys. Then you get another person that only looks for sales and discounts, you know? You get another consumer that looks for discounts all the time. So when market's on top like this, he says the price it's going up, price is too high, it must sell. Because the price is too high, it must come down. So you see, that mentality can stop people from actually progressing in the Forex market. But what this hack I'm teaching you guys today is massive. It's massive, guys. You're starting to understand the market in a neutral perspective right here. A neutral perspective right here, guys. Like this. So when you're in this, like, let's say now you're a person that you don't like to buy much. That's a good example, right? Focus now. Focus. I want you guys to focus. Have a journal down. Have a journal right now. If you have a journal right now, and you know, comment down below. Be journaling. Comment that right now. Journal. Comment right now. CFE journal. Go crazy, guys. I comment. I look at the comments and I interact with you guys. So this is a very important part. Focus right now. I'll ask you guys to focus. Look at this. Let's take this moment right here again. One more time. I'm gonna do two examples. One for buy, one for sell. Right now, you see this. You see this market like this. Let's go look. On a 4-hour, you see a beautiful trend. It looks nice up, right? Now you do a trend line. Nice. Okay, great stuff. Now you're like, okay, market is in I'm gonna buy on the trend line. But let's say you buy right here at the support of trend line right here, right? And then your stops gonna be right here. Let's say your stops at the bottom right here. Okay, you're gonna have a take profit like 1 is to 2, something like that. Eh? Just an example. But the person that buys, this person always likes to look for discounts. He likes for discounts. So this person on normal candles like this, right? it's a hard time for him to take a buy because he believes market must can't sell because it's high, it's been up, it must right. So he's looking for it's a resistance right here, something like that. So he's looking for sells. Even though the trend is up, he's looking for sells because the market's too high. That's look here, be honest with yourself. Oh, what are you? Are you that person? Are you the person that sees market must buy from the low to the high? Or are you the person that sees market must sell from the high to the low? Which should argue? And this is going to help you. If you understand that right there, now let me show you guys. Let's say this person, scenario A, he sees the buy, right? He takes it. But this person who takes the buy doesn't really like, he's the discount person, the discount consumer. And he doesn't really like to be in buys. But let's say he takes a buy, he gets it, and it goes up. And now because it's shitting up, he gets so excited. And then if you go to the 1 hour, he sees his first rejection like that. There. He sees a rejection. Remember, he doesn't like buying. He's the person like selling the market. He sees a rejection. He says, he's in profits. He gets excited. He's like, okay, you know what? I need to get out the market right now because it's too high. So he cuts himself out from the position. But what if he just he stops himself because he gets out now too excited of the market, closes profits before the time he takes profit because he's scared he might lose the profits he has right now. So what he does, he misses the potential. If you just had to put it on neutral, he doesn't see the color candle. Then number 2, this is step 2. This is the part of the hack. This is the part of the hack. This is the next step of the hack. Yo, this is the next step of the hack. If you just had to invert this chart, go to settings, or go to settings right there, like right click on this thing, or not just right click, you can just go at the bottom on the left hand side, click on that and say invert chart. That exact same chart I switched up right now. And because he likes selling, he could even put his chart back up on color candles, right? But I would say keep it neutral, right? Keep it neutral and switch it invert. So now it looks like he's in a sell, but he doesn't see the color candle right now. The structure looks like it's going down and down. So now it basically mind boggles his mind. Comment down below that. Comment there, mind boggled. Comment right now. Have you been mind boggled? Comment in. Hashtag mind boggled. So right now you've been mind boggled. You're mind boggling yourself and tell yourself, okay, look here. This market's going down, but it's not actually going down. So now you can hold on to trade much easier. And take profit can be hit much easier for you guys. But in fact, it was actually going up. See, if you have a problem in buying, that could help you right there. And the same with sell. If you have a problem with selling, you switch your chart other way around, and it looks like you're buying. It's powerful. It's powerful. You sit back and you listen to what I'm just sharing with you guys. The full video, this full mentorship on what I'm sharing right here will be posted in the group, in our free group. I'm gonna do more of these things for you guys. Right? Just comment down below, guys. You know, we're gonna say part two of this. I'll do part 2 for you guys. That being said, guys, if you guys learned something new right now, like this video, comment down below. And once again, guys, you're meeting Yeshua Kilsama. I'm about to sign out. Don't forget to like this video, share it to friends and family. I have a free group of mentorship for over 3 years for completely free, not charging a cent for my mentorships, completely free. You can learn, join the free group in the description. And if you want to do the copy trading, where I trade, link my account to your account, and I trade on my account and copies on your side. So basically, if you want to become a private investor and let me make you money, of course, there's a percentage cut where I take 30% of profits, you take 70% of profits. And while you're doing nothing, you can make an income for yourself. Guys, it's massive, guys. What I'm sharing with you guys. Look here. With that being said, guys, your mentorship kills somebody. I'm about to sign up. Cheers, guys. Check it on the next side.